how do you think, or tell me some ways, specifically for my real content, I need this. Tell me how a fresher can get into a freelancing, or 2-3 ways that he can try to grab projects here and there, apart from Fiverr and other things that are there.
Bro, I would say don't expect payment for the start. Like,
Okay.
do it for free, get experience.
Excellent.
Build your experience. That's what I did. Like from my college, from my first, I started doing this thing was that internships, free internships from my first semester of engineering.
Excellent.
Like I was each and every semester I did something or the other, even if it's within college, outside college, whatever, but for free. I did not expect payment at all. Then in my, when I got in my final year of engineering and everything.
When you had some kind of expertise.
Yeah, then I could tell them, even in my first job also, I could tell them that, boss, I've done this all my life. That is why you need to pay me so much. Right? I had a bucket loads of experience.
So point A, work for experience first rather than pumping in your money.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
And
second thing, what is the question? How do you find...
how can you get into freelance, sneak into projects initially?
See, find someone who's already doing freelancing and work with them. Work with them, under them, even if it's for a menial pay, work under them, because they have projects, they'll need help. So help them out. Tell them this thing. If you know people, that would be
I think classic way is getting your family and friends.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
You
Family and friends.
Catch out to them if you can't.
Yeah.
Convince them. How will you convince them?
Exactly. Sell it to your family.
Yeah. And adding to your first point, do it for free.
Yeah.
They will also do it.
Yeah. Be like, I'll do it for free.
No, that's how I got my first freelance project.
You told me, yeah.
I got hold of someone from my family, and I was like, let me do it, and that's how I learned.
What is that about?
It was about real estate. So, gives you a good idea about the project. So,
I thought you did something related, tutoring also, something.
That was quite later.
Achha.
Into e-commerce and tutoring, that was quite later. Initially, it started with the real estate freelance.
Wow, okay.
Nice. Okay, cool. So, one major thing, that the agencies work around is getting awards. Alright, so let's talk about awards.
Wow, okay. Glamorous.
I know a lot of big agencies to small agencies, though explicitly work for awards. Awards के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे.
Bro, I got a call yesterday itself. I got a call from this, I'll take the name, fuck it, ET Brand Equity, saying that, do you want to pay money and this thing goes that, get into, this thing goes that, nominate yourself. I'm like,
that to nominate, huh?
Yeah, nominate yourself, pay money to get nominated. First I got a mail. I'm like, theek hai, fuck it, ignore. Then they called me up. I'm like, how do you get my number? But still, I'm like, I'm not interested, dude.
We got from the marketing circle we have.
Yeah. I'm like, what the fuck? Bro.
So I wanted to know was, we'll not talk about the awards and what are the different types of awards that are happening. मुझे ये पूछना है कि award functions होते हैं, and they cater almost all the verticals.
Yeah.
Best content, best design in a content, best videos, best anthem. So how, these agency people can learn and understand from the awardees or from the nomination?
Yeah, to be honest, I'm very skeptical about awards because I've heard that people pay and get these awards. A lot of them, right? So I'm very skeptical ki, do agencies, do they really need to even trust them and learn from them when it's paid? Rather there might be so many other works. I've been following these Feedly and all that, in which they feature I get these daily or weekly these updates on best print ads and everything.
Right.
Those are great. Or else if you're going for international big ones, I don't know if they are paid or whatever, but at least Canes and all, I don't know. I don't think those would be. I don't know, you can tell me if they are. But they are great.
Entry is always required for nomination wise. It's always required. But how much can be it influenced on winning? That's a separate topic. Because some, like you said, some are influenced and some are not.
There's also this perception, right? If you see Ogilvy there, and then you see some random XYZ, you'll still be like, acha, even if it's bad also, you'll be like, acha, brand name hai.
No, so Ismail Rakshit,
you'll have that bias.
Recently I've figured this out. It also depends on the awards, it is done by who. Like you said, Cannes, right? Ab Cannes ka piche sponsor kaun hai? For example, it is Tiger Global or SoftBank. then SoftBank will automatically influence those companies or those startups which they have backed up. Now one for the emerging and one for already the emerged, something like that. So that is also there, directly, indirectly. So but yeah, I mean, from the learning perspective, I want to understand, like, can a fresher or can a agency learn from the nominated awards? Like, yaar, inka content
I can
bahut
tell
acha
you
hai.
one thing. I can tell you one thing. Like, this is something really funny. Like, yeah, you can learn, but don't fucking copy exactly. ठीक है? Like, when Cadbury did that ad with Shah Rukh, like second tier, third tier cities में, like Diwali के लिए, like wherein Shah Rukh was talking about these, like, I mean, तुम लोग खरीद सकते हो इस दुकान से, and then he used to take the money, name, using AI and ML and everything. They made it like Shah Rukh was endorsing brands which are popular in that particular region. Okay. Zomato, I guess, did the same ad with Hrithik a few months later after Canes, after they this thing, I think it was Ogilvy, and they won for this ad. Like, they won an award in Cannes.
Hrithik is not having time.
With Hrithik,
he's not having time for the shoot. Okay.
Yeah, Hrithik, like with Hrithik or someone, like they did the same ad same concept, same AI, ML and everything. Everybody, everywhere, social samosas, everything said that they copied. I mean, but then it was good. But I don't go and do the exact same thing, yeah. Like, I mean, adapt it in some.
That is too stupid, yeah. If actually that happened, I don't know that Cadbury wala thing, but I need to see.
It did. You should check it out. Shah Rukh wala.
Because when I first saw the Hrithik wala was the only thing I saw. Meko to acha laga, good idea. But I made it for the first time.
It came from it. Before that was Shah Rukh.
Oh damn. Yeah. Acha dekhna padega. All right, Rakshit. With that, I think it was lovely having an interaction with you.
But wait, before I know you're going to end, but